Hello everyone, this is Maria Loves Art. I started this project before I started doing leisure time and enjoy the time miniature DIY kits. So I started working on both of these projects at the same time. You can see the cat from the last project on the right and then the mushrooms and the roses from this project. This is a miniature polymer clay leaf. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to make the roses again. That way I can share with you on how I made them. So all the roses, leaves, and mushrooms look different. The roses are painted in 2 shades of red. The mushrooms have different colors on them, and underneath they're painted a beige color with black lines. Around the mushroom I added a little bit of black to it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. I ended up adding some glow-in-the-dark paint. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.